Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your designs look cleaner? I'll show you how to edit margins in Canva. Click Create, then choose Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, go to File and select Settings. Under Settings, enable Show Margins or Show Ruler and Guides. This will help you align your design elements precisely as you work within the custom canvas size defined for this tutorial. Select Show Margins to display margins on the ruler. Then, click and drag the ruler down to adjust the margins as needed for your document layout. Select the Ruler tool. Click and drag to position the guideline where needed. Adjust the ruler to align precisely, helping you measure or design elements accurately within your workspace. You can also select another item in the same way. Adjust margin here. Align, then you can perform one more action. Now you have a perfect square. You can add your elements precisely and place your shapes accurately without making mistakes. This ensures clean alignment and a professional look for your design. Use the guides to maintain symmetry and balance throughout your project for flawless results every time. Align the text precisely with the margin as shown. This ensures your content stays properly formatted and visually balanced. In Canva, click Share, then Download. Adjust the size to the maximum or select your preferred quality. Finally, click Download to save your design to your device. Now you know how to edit margins in Canva. It's easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.